Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. I am so excited and super grateful. So, today we're talking about journaling and journal prompts. What are journal prompts? What is journaling? Why journal? How? All the stuff. So, I'm really, really passionate about keeping these videos nice and short. I know I can go off and then on and on and on and on. So, but I want you to get the juice, the magic, and then go off and implement it, right? Again, if you feel like joining our challenge, feel free to hit the link and come play. Please also to support me, click subscribe, click like, share a comment. That will really, really empower me and allow more people to get these videos. So today I am speaking about journaling and journal prompts. It is a topic that has intuitively come up for me, and I was like, yeah, I'm going to talk about it, and then I kind of forgot, and then today again it was like, bing, and I think it's really important because if you are on my mailing list, you probably know I add a couple of journal prompts and give you different things to think about, to play with. If you have been in one of my programs or you want to dive deeper, you know that I use this work a lot. So, why journal prompts? What are they? Why journaling? So, journaling allows you to reflect, right? It also gives you a direct access to your subconscious, to your higher self, to your guides, to the spirit, to universe, whatever you want to create. Journaling allows you to get there, which is pretty amazing and miraculous and a miracle. And I have never looked at it that way until recently. So it's super, super special. And I think this wasn't going to be a part of the awakening episode, and there is so much more I have in that playlist, but I think it's part of it. Journaling will allow you to tap into your higher self, and it will allow you to tap into your intuition. So because we're diving deep into our subconscious, we're also playing. And the thing with journal prompts, it is how you ask and it is what you ask. So, one of my favorite questions, and I'm going to leave that one with you today for you to take away and go and journal, is how would I behave if I knew everything was going to work out? So, I really, really, really invite you to tune in and really journal on that. Allow your mind to really go, wander, experiment, play. So, what I really encourage you to do is to get a journal if you don't already have one. Something that lights you up, something that you can be excited about having. Yeah, you can get a cheap one from some cheap $2 shop, but you might want to invest a little bit and really set an intention, set some magic, and really create a sacred space for your journaling. And then you can journal every day. So, why it's so amazing and so incredible and so powerful is because of the direct line to your subconscious and your higher self, right? So you can ask yourself, you can tune into your guides and have a conversation with them, a written guidance. You can reflect on an experience that you have already had, right? So you can future pace, you can set things up to um, like imagine like, oh, so it is 3 months from now and this is what's happening, this is how I'm feeling, this is what I'm sensing. So lots of techniques. So it's really important because you get to tap into your higher self, your deeper self, your true self. There's many techniques. If you want to receive some of the journal prompts that I send out in my mailing list, hit subscribe and just follow the link in the website. I am so grateful that I was able to bring you this little tiny little bit of knowledge about journaling. If you want to go deeper, there is more information um, below. All right, please subscribe, share, and happy journaling. The question for you today is, how would I behave if I knew everything was going to work out?